Okay, it's now 7:35. We are back on the calendar. We do have a number of cases, about 14 or 15 left, and we will call them in turn. We'll start with agenda item number 2, Ms. Sanders' case against Angela James and Amos Thomas Jr., who have the property at 12090 Northwest 12th Avenue, case CEBRD 2013-000011. The case was opened in June 27, 2013. It was adjudicated in September 4, 2013, and the abatement date was October 1st, 2013. And this was to board up and cover all windows that need and make repairs or replace glass. Ms. Sanders.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Enforcement Officer. As already stated, this is a case for windows that were boarded up. I did speak with the property owner or tenants of the property today. All of the boards have been removed except one. He did state that he would try to have the last one removed by the afternoon. I went by about 4:30 and it was still there per our conversation. And I do want to make sure I get it on record. He is asking this case to be tabled because he has, and I do agree, has been working with getting them all removed. And again, only one still remains. So with this one, I will ask for it to be tabled, but I'll leave that up to you. I do have pictures if you would like to see the before and after. But again, as of today, about 4:30, the one board still remains on the front window.
Okay, I'll review the pictures, but I think that we might be tabling this.
As you see, it's kind of under his porch area, so you can barely see it, and that was his reasoning. As he say, I removed all of them on the outside. If you flip a few pages back, you'll see the old ones, but it's only one on the front porch that remains.
Okay.
But he said due to financial reasons, he'll try to get that removed by the end of the week.
The city would have no objection to tabling the case to November 6th.
Okay, so we'll table it based on the officer's testimony for 30 days.
The next case will be agenda item number 5, Ms. Sanders' case against Avinia Lewis, who owns the property at 1200 Northeast 122nd Street, case CEEXP 2013-00082. The case was opened on May 1st, 2013, adjudicated September 4th, 2013, and abatement date of October 1st, 2013. And this was to pressure clean and possibly repaint some dirt and mildew-stained awnings. Ms. Sanders.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. As already stated, this is a case for exterior awnings and fascia boards that need to be repaired and not must be repaired, but pressure cleaned and painted. As of yesterday, about 1:30, it still remains in the same condition. I have pictures if you would like to see.
Yes, please. Okay, reviewing photographs that were taken on September 4th, 2013. Have you had any contact with the homeowner?
I've made contact with the tenants, but and they have directed me to a house across the street where they're saying the property owner lives, but I haven't spoke with the property owner myself, but the tenant states more so, they're renting, so do what you have to do.
Okay, how about notice for today?
If you're giving back the file, let me see.
Mr. Graham?
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Your Honor, notice to the hearing for today's hearing was posted at the property on September 20th, 2013.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer and the evidence presented, I find that the violation still exists. I find that given proper notice, the homeowners have once again failed to appear. I hereby ratify the fine amount of $25 per day.
Thank you. Next case is agenda item 15, Mr. Kearson's case with Felix Cohen Trust for the property at 1925 Northeast 118 Road, case CB&P 2012-00109. This is a case that was open on November 8, 2012 to obtain a building permit for a boat lift. Mr. Kearson.
Code Officer Ivy Kearson, City of North Miami Code Compliance Unit of the North Miami Police Department. Property address is 1925 Northeast 118th Road. Property owner is Felix Cohen. Property is occupied and it is homesteaded. There are no life safety issues on the property. As earlier stated, this property was cited back in November of last year for failure to obtain a building permit for a boat lift that was installed. I have been speaking with Mr. Cohen on a number of occasions. Actually, I thought he was going to be here tonight. He has applied for a permit with DERM, and he's submitted all this everything to. He's gotten letters from the Army Corps of Engineers. I thought he was coming here tonight to ask for more time because he has yet to submit a permit with the city for the actual work that was already done for the lift. I don't know why he's not here. Thought he was going to be here. I did speak with him last week. Said he was going to be here. Unfortunately, I don't have a picture to show you right now. I seem to have misplaced it, but right now I'm looking for, I guess we can just look for an adjudication because I thought he was going to be here. And so all right now we can do is just get an adjudication. Maybe that'll light a fire and then get something going. But I can't say he has been trying. He, like you said, I do have all his documentation from DERM and from Army Corps engineers on file. It's just that for some reason he's not here, and I don't know why he's not here to state his case.
And you're indicating when you spoke to him last week, he was aware that we have a hearing today?
Yes, he was aware. The property was posted on the September 20th. I received the green card from him. I did speak to Mr. Cohen. He said he would be here, and he isn't. So right now I'm just looking for adjudication.
All right. Based on the information or unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation does exist. I find that given proper notice, the homeowner has failed to appear. I hereby impose a fine amount of $50 per day with an abatement date of November 5th, 2013.
Okay. Thank you.
Next case is Miss Christie's case, agenda item 16 against Frankie Seraphin for the property at address of 1020 Northeast 129th Street, case CEXP 2013-00113. This is a case to clean and paint the exterior of the building. The case was opened in June 11, 2013, adjudicated September 4, 2013, with an abatement date of October 1, 2013. Fine amounts established. Ms. Christie.
Rita Lynn Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami Police Department. There has been no changes at the property besides that the property is now vacant. The homeowner has lost the property. It's being taken care of by a bank. I did post a notice for this hearing on September 19th. And has had no communication with anyone at the property.
Okay. Based on the information provided by the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation still exists. I find that there's proper notice. I hereby ratify the daily assessment Fees, fine amount of $25. That's it.
Okay. All right, the next case, agenda item 18, Ms. Christie's case against HSBC Bank USA for the property at 1065 Northeast 132nd Street. It's a vacant property, case CEXP 2013-00105. Ms. Christie opened the case on May 29, 2013. It was adjudicated September 4, 2013, with an abatement date of October 1st, 2013. Fine amounts already been established. Ms. Christie.
Vidal and Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami Police Department. As said previously, the property is vacant. Notice for this hearing was posted at the property September 19th. I have not had any contact with anyone at the property. However, someone is picking up the notices, and there has been no changes at the property.
All right, based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find there's given proper notice. The property owners have once again failed to appear. Therefore, I hereby ratify the daily fine amount of $75.
Thank you. Next case, agenda item 19, Officer Clark's case against James and Peggy Janke for the property address 1545 Northeast 140 Street, case CE JNK 2013-00.
Did you say 19?
19.
I thought we took it off.
It's on the list? No?
I'll look at my
19. Do you need the paperwork on it?
Wayne Clark City, North Miami Code Compliance, North Miami Police Department. Junk on the property still exists. No change. The property is still vacant.
This case was adjudicated in September 4th, and October 1st was the abatement date. And this property was posted do we have in the file when it was posted?
Yeah, I see that. I do have my affidavit of service where I posted for this hearing on September 20th, 2013, 3/25. It's just not entered into the permit actions report, but I do have the affidavit here notarized that the property has been properly served. Again, the property is vacant and no change has been made to the condition of the exterior property, which entails a lot of junk.
Okay. You don't have photographs?
Excuse me?
We don't have any photographs?
Yes. See them. No updated photographs, being that they wouldn't come out right for nothing because I guess the darkness of the outside, and I kept trying with the flash and it would not do. But it's still just how it was last month.
It's in the same condition as
Right.
it was when these photographs were taken back in.
What is it, August 22nd or something like that?
Because it's sitting right on the green, I can't really tell.
Flip it
whether
over.
it's
There
a
should
8
be
or
another
9.
picture.
Huh?
There's no other picture up under that one?
Actually, they were taken in September.
Okay.
September 9th. September 3rd, 2013.
Okay.
Okay, so there have been no changes.
None.
Okay. All right, based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer and the evidence presented, I find that the violation still exists. I find that given proper notice, the home property owners have once again failed to appear. The $100 fine assessment is hereby ratified.
Moving on the next case, agenda item number 2424. Code Officer Christie's case against Luis Gonzalez for the property 1320 Northeast 129th Street, case CEPOM 2013-00019. This case was opened on June 20th, 2013. It was adjudicated on September 4th, 2013, with an abatement date of October 1st, 2013. Fine amounts already established for this unmaintained swimming pool. Ms. Christie.
Beadle and Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami Police Department. Property was posted with the order to comply and certified mail sent out. Property was again posted on the 19th with the notice to appear for this particular hearing. There has been no changes at the property, and I have a current picture as of today.
Yes. Ooh. Reviewing photographs there submitted by the code enforcement officer, taken on 10/2/2013. Is this health hazard? Is it occupied or unoccupied?
At this time, no, it's not.
Okay. And there's no mosquitoes in here?
Yes, there's mosquitoes, frogs, junk items.
Yes. Oh, wow. Okay. And you said it's notice for today?
I'm sorry?
It's notice for today.
Yes, the property was posted on the 19th of last month for court appearance for today.
Okay. Based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation still exists. I find that given proper notice, the property owners have failed to appear. The $100 fine assessment is hereby ratified.
Thank you. Next is agenda item number 26. 26, Ms. Christie's case against Melba Pasquier for the vacant property at 1081 Northeast 132nd Street, case CEJNK 2013-00074. The case was opened on July 8, 2013. It was adjudicated September 4th, 2013, and abatement date was October 1st, 2013. Fine amounts already been established. Ms. Christie.
Beadle and Christie, Code Compliance, North Miami Police Department. Order to comply was posted at the property on September 12th. Certified mail sent out, and notice for today's hearing posted at the property on the 19th of last month. As of today, there has been no changes at the property. All the junk items remain in the rear and side of the property.
Reviewing photographs that were taken by the code enforcement officer on September 4th, 2013. Based on the unrebutted testimony and evidence presented by the code enforcement officer, I find the violation still exists. I find given proper notice, the property owners have yet once again failed to appear. The $25 daily fine amount is hereby ratified.
Moving on, the next case, agenda item 28. Ms. Christie's case against Nestle and Rosalind Janville for the property at 1210 Northeast 143 Street, case CEEXP 2013-00137. This case was opened on July 30th, 2013, again for clean and paint. This is a new case. Ms. Christie.
Beadle and Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami Police Department. This case was opened back in July in regards to the painting of the exterior of the property. The property is currently occupied. Notice was actually posted at the property. Certified mail was also sent out, received with a signature, and notice for the hearing for this hearing was posted at the property on September 19th. There has been no changes as of the photos from today. I have those for the record.
Reviewing photographs taken by the code enforcement officer on October 2nd, 2013. Based on the unrebutted testimony and evidence presented by the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation does exist. I find in favor of the city. Hereby impose a daily fine amount of $25 with an abatement date of November 5th, 2013.
Next case is agenda item number 38, Code Officer Fitzell's case against Joel Berthelin for the property 13705 Northeast 5th Avenue, case CEXP 2013-00149. Case was open on September 19th, 2013. It's a new case for exterior main residence to paint the house in fashion boards. Mr. Fitzell.
Ed Fitzell, City of North Miami, Code Enforcement Officer with the North Miami Police Department. This property was originally cited under 5-46 exterior paint. The property was mailed with a notice to appear on September 20th. The notice to appear return receipt was received. The signature was illegible. The property was posted with notice to appear on October 2nd. On September 21st. As of today, there has been no compliance. I will submit the pictures.
Reviewing photographs that were taken on this date, October 2nd, 2013, submitted by the code enforcement officer. Based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation does exist. I find, given proper notice, the homeowner have failed to appear. Hereby impose a daily fine amount of $25 with an abatement date of November 5th, 2013.
Next case, agenda item 40, for Joel Berthelin, the same property address, 13705 Northeast 5th Avenue, KC MHO 2013-00041. This is a new case open on August 20th, 2013 for a leaky roof. Mr. Fitzell.
Edmund Fitzell, City of North Miami, Code Enforcement Officer with the North Miami Police Department. This property was originally cited on August 21st under Section 5-45 for our minimum housing opening. This was first came to my attention from the tenant that was residing in the back of this property. The property was mailed with a notice to appear on September 20th. The property was posted with notice to appear on September 21st. This is a non-homestead property, if I didn't say that. Here's the picture for evidence.
Reviewing photograph taken by the code enforcement officer on August 21st, 2013. Based on the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find, given proper notice, the homeowner has failed to appear. I find in favor of the city, the violation does exist. Hereby impose a daily fine amount of $25 with an abatement date of November 5th, 2013.
Next case, agenda item number 42, Joel Berthelin for the same property, 13705 Northeast 5th Avenue, case CEOSV 2013-00040. This is a new case open on August 20th, 2013 for an oversized white Mitsubishi box truck. Mr. Fitzell.
Edmund Fitzell, City of North Miami, Code Enforcement Officer with the North Miami Police Department. This property was originally cited on August 21st under Section 295-1406D for having a commercial vehicle in a residential area. The property was posted with a notice to appear on September 21st. Notice to appear was mailed out, and the notice to appear return receipt was received, the illegible signature. I would like to submit the pictures for evidence.
Photographs taken by the code enforcement officer on this date, October 2nd, 2013. Based upon the unrebutted testimony of the code enforcement officer, I find that the violation exists. I find in favor of the city. Hereby impose a daily fine amount of $25 per day with an abatement date of November 5th. I find given proper notice, the homeowners have failed to appear.
Next case, agenda item number 4343 for Joel Bartholin, same property, 13705 Northeast 5th Avenue, case CEZPU 2013-00026. A new case opened by Mr. Fitzell on August 20th, 2013, to return the property back to a 2-unit dwelling. It was converted to 3 units without permits. Mr. Fitzell.
Ed Fitzell, City of North Miami Code Enforcement Officer with the North Miami Police Department. This property was originally notified under Section Article 4 about the zone prohibited use. This duplex was turned into a triplex. I spoke to the owner on August 21st. I gave him a letter, sent out a letter of violation on August 21st. As on September 20th, the case was scheduled for a hearing. The notice to appear was mailed on September 20th. The property was posted with a notice to appear on September 21st. I do have several pictures to show that the rear unit of this property, where the walls were closed in and a kitchen was installed on this property.
I missed it. You said no permit on file, no application. Okay.
No permit would be issued, as this is zoned only for a duplex. This area is only zoned for a duplex. This goes back to a year before when I spoke to him about this same unit.
This would be an illegal conversion. It would not be allowed in that area. No permits would be issued for this illegal construction and subdivision.
Reviewing the photograph submitted by the code enforcement officer taken on this date, 10/2/2013. Inside the unit, building kitchen. Okay. Electrical.
220 line, you saw that?
Is this the partition?
He put panels up to divide the duplex into a triplex there.
That was muffled. I'm sorry.
He put paneling up to divide it into a triplex instead of a duplex.
Okay. Based on the unrebutted testimony and evidence presented by the code enforcement officer, I find in favor of the city, find a violation does exist. I find that given proper notice, the homeowner has failed to appear. Hereby impose a daily fine amount of $50 per day with an abatement date of November 5th, 2013.
And are you handling Jimmy's case?
No.
Number 44?
What does he have? What's the name?
Maud Gornell. EXP? Okay. Last case, agenda item 44. 44 on the agenda, Maud Gornell for the property 12505 Northeast Miami Place, case CEEXP 2013-00109. This is originally Code Officer Wilcox's case, who was not able to be here tonight, and this was to replace dry rot, fascia board, and to repair the front porch overhang. Code Officer Fitzell.
Ed Fitzell, City of North Miami Code Enforcement, North Miami Police Department. This case has already been adjudicated. As of on September 12th, the property was posted with order to comply at 11:45 a.m. The notice to appear was mailed on September 23rd. Affidavit of service is filed. As of today, there is no compliance. The most recent pictures are from last month here, September 3rd. The rotten fascia. I guess we're here just to set fines.
You're saying they're in the same condition as they were back when those photographs were taken?
Through you to Code Officer Fitzell, were you out and did you inspect this property today, or was it not inspected?
No, I did not inspect it.
All right, Your Honor, under the circumstance, since the citing officer is not here and Code Officer Fitzell did not see the property today, I recommend we table this to November 6th.
Okay. We'll table it to November.
Thank you. And Your Honor, that completes the call of the cases for this evening. We have no old business or new business. And with your pleasure, we will adjourn. It's now 8:06.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night.